Hi guys, so in this video we'll be going through how to appeal YouTube monetization, how to create appeal video for reused content, how to appeal reused content on YouTube, how to monetize YouTube channel after rejected monetization, how to make appeal video for YouTube reused content, and this method can also be used for repetitive content appeal video. I will show you a demo of the exact video I used to get my monetization after my other channel was rejected for reused content. The appeal was successful in under just 6 hours. I was accepted into the YPP YouTube Partner Program. I've had this experience before, so I have created a full playlist containing the full appeal process for rejected monetization, what is reused content, how to avoid it, and the same for repetitive content. So please check out the playlist after watching this. Also, I've got, from my previous videos, I've got testimonies of how content creators have been able to get their channels backed, been able to get their channels remonetized after being demonetized or after having rejected monetization just by watching my video. Here's a few of the testimonies. So with that being said, I'm pretty sure you're excited to see the demo. But before we start, I just wanted to say to you, I know what it feels like to be rejected for monetization or to be demonetized, because both have happened to my other channels. So I seem to be an expert in this field now. But why not take a negative situation and make it into a positive situation? And I'm glad to have had these experiences, so now I can help out you guys. And I would like to say, before you do your appeal video, just treat it as something you really want. I know once you've been rejected, you go through a whole host of emotions, from anger to upset to frustration, but don't let that frustrated anger come out in your appeal video. You want to be on your best behavior. And how do you ask for something you really want in life? You normally say please, and you normally speak calmly and politely. In that way, you are more likely to get the result that you want from YouTube. Speak with a kind and grateful heart. So, with that being said, let's get into the demo.